Just for now, just stare as far as you can into the distance, the mountains.
Basically, we went up to Olana, which is Frederick Church's house that he designed. What I want to say is the house was very beautiful. It was very unique because throughout all his travels, he used a lot of things from different cultures. Say he had things that were Arabic and some things that you wouldn't really see in America, maybe somewhere out in South Asia and stuff. And then when you walked in, it was like, how do I explain it? It was kind of like a little walk path, and then when you walked in, it was like a stained glass over the door, and it was words in Arabic that said welcome. So he basically took a lot of things from a lot of cultures to design his house. On top of that, a lot of paintings, a lot of artwork and paintings and things in his house, even things that were like not needed, like sculptures. We saw monkey skulls, stuff like that. He collected a lot of things.
The trip at Olana was fun. We learned a lot from Frederick Church's life and how he built this kind of empire around his art. And when I came back from the trip, it actually inspired me to learn and push myself to learn new things like realistic drawings.
It inspired me, basically showed me that like you can do anything once you put your mind to it, because we learned that Frederick Church decided that he wanted to live in that certain spot at the age of 18. So like somewhere around kids my age. So like once he set his goal, he was able to follow through with it.